So I've been sent some hair from good old Unice hair. I'm gonna try and install it. Now, it's the fact that I'm so comfortable enough to come onto this camera with my braids looking like this. Do excuse me. I haven't worn a wig in a very, very long time. I actually don't even remember the last time I wore a wig. No, basically, I have a thin hairline. There's no secret. I'm not hiding it. I just have a very thin hairline, and I think like I used to be a serial wig wearer. I used to be a serial wig wearer, and because I was wearing wigs back to back, I think the friction just did not help the fact that my hair, it wasn't out, it didn't breathe, I wasn't doing protective hairstyles. It wasn't a good environment. So then I just did clear, but then I went and did ponytails because that makes so much sense. I'm gonna attempt to connect back to my old roots, and I'm going to install this lovely pre-made, pre-plucked au naturel wig from Unice hair. But I believe this is a 20-inch bust down, for all the girlies that like a bust down. So in your package you get this goodie bag with 2 wig caps, a brush, an elastic band, lashes and a rat tail comb. It's a closure wig that's 6 by 4.5, so it's like quite wide along the forehead and then 4.5 inches deep. I have to have my forehead out. Like I have to have my forehead. If I don't have my forehead, it doesn't look proportionate to me. You see? It doesn't sit right with me. So I like my forehead being out. Yes. I'm just gonna do it just in front of my hairline. Don't worry about the colour, I'm gonna tint it. Do not worry. Oh yeah, we have the clips. This is so handy. Yeah, let me just prep my hairline. I'm just gonna thingy it all back. Gel it all back, and then I'll be right back. In the package, Unice hair sent this brush. I'm gonna blend it out on the back of my hand first, so that it's picked up on here. Oh, the other thing, I'm gonna just spray. The fluffier the brush, the better, because you know, if you use like one of those dense brushes, it might stain the lace in one place as opposed to like brushing it all out. Yeah, I've stopped wearing wigs just because, again, I wanted to give my like hairline a break. It's like braids are good for like 2 to 3 weeks. They used to be good for like months, but nowadays, bro, like even if you get like a little bit of new growth, it needs to get redone. I really want to try these type of curls. Now I know it looks a bit crazy, but you know those barrel curls? I've never been that type, but I really want to try it. I'm really liking it. I like my wigs to be like this, free flowing, like free. I understand like putting a lot of product to just keep it like locked in, but I just don't like the look. I know you girls like to tussle, but that's my opinion. I like this. I like a, you know, a bit mess. Yeah. Oh god, I don't really think a middle part suits me. Oh my goodness. You know I'm more of a side part girly. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna, I don't know if I should glue this down and then mold it, or mold it and then glue it down. It makes sense to mold it first because the mousse might loosen up the glue when I lay it down, right? Well, I'm just using Cream of Nature mousse, nothing special. Okay, it's managed to mold itself back. So I need to just clean up. Well, I'm gonna use like some rubbing alcohol. I'm just gonna take off any like excess product, any makeup, gel, just so that just so it's like it's extra dry, so that when I glue it down, the glue can really just do what it needs to do. I've decided I'm going to glue it down, as in I'm going to glue it with like my bonding glue dupe. This wig is supposed to be a throw it on, do a few adjustments and then go. As you can see, the wig didn't fit me the best in the beginning, so that's why I'm going to glue it down, because I do want to keep it on for a couple days now. And this is in natural light, by the way, because the sun is coming in that way. I'm nervous because I haven't done this in a while and I don't want to mess this up. Ooh, god damn. Okay, this is feeling very tacky. Okay. I've only done one layer. Maybe I should do two. I've glued down. Oh, are we in focus? Okay, so I've glued down the front, but now the flaps are out. They're flapping. And I'm gonna use this Bedhead spray just because it's like a bit gentler and I can take it off a lot more easier than I would with the Ghost Bond. So just under here, I'm gonna glue down, and I'm gonna glue down because I'm gonna have the hair at the front come back a little bit. I just accidentally lifted this. I fit like, so I'm using Ghost Bond glue and I haven't used this in a very long time, and I'm not gonna lie, I haven't taken care of this bottle, as in I've lost the cap, and I don't know if that's then affected the formula, because maybe the oxygen has like made it less strong, but it's not giving the greatest hold at the moment. But I did speak to my hair consultant, Hair by H, recommended, I think it was Evan, that's what she's been using at the moment. Okay, nice and sticky. Right, now I'm going to use my these are actually a pair of tights, and I don't care what anyone says. I have been using tights since God knows when. The elastic band, oh god. Right, so now I'm going to, that's nice, that's tight and secure. So now I'm just going to straighten and maybe just trim a little bit of hair. Trim a little bit of hair, just so it can frame my face a bit better. Okay, so this is the hair once I've just added some heat protector and I've blow dried it. And now, I'm gonna straighten it. Oh, Chile. I'm gonna do this in two. Okay. Do you know what? It's already actually got some layers, which is great. But I still do think I'm going to add some more layers. Just a little bit, not too much, y'all. Just so that it can melt. I threw on the band again just because I touched up on the lace, and then I darkened the lace with my concealer. because I felt like it was a bit too light. So I'm just gonna let that cook. But this is the hair so far. Guys, when I tell you this is so silky smooth, it's, look at the it's not too long, it's not too short. It's, for me, this is perfect. It's just right. And then this is the back. Let me just brush it one more time. It's so silky smooth. Like, guys, I'm in love. Okay, just don't mind the tights right now, okay? Oh, so you could just leave it here as a boneless straight wig and be done. Like, this is a look. Oh, look at the sheen. Yes, ma'am. Sorry. Oh, I love it. But when I saw myself with like some curtains and some waves, I really want to try it. So I'm gonna attempt to add some curtains, because I don't know. Oh, okay. I think she's melted. This side, it was a bit thinner. And do you know what? Do you know what the funny thing is? Okay, I actually think I like a middle pattern, because I, like, at the beginning of the video, I was so hell-bent on like, I'm not a middle part type of girl. I still do like a side part, don't get me wrong, but a middle part isn't that bad. I never thought I'd be a middle part type of girl. Okay, I've gone for like this vampy type of look. I should paint my nails. This is not like, this is like, I'm just a bit concerned about this area. I don't know, like, I don't know if it's light because, oh, there's a lot of product in this area. I've got some dry shampoo, but I don't want it to turn grey, that's the only thing. And it hasn't set, so I don't want it to. Oh yes, Miss Girl. So I changed my mind, if you can't already tell. I said I was going to do some curtains and some like curls, but actually I really quite like it like this at the moment. If you would like to see me attempt to curl this hair, let me know, because I could definitely do that for another video. I know that I've just come on here and just started posting videos, so yeah, maybe like a more personal video. Let me know if you guys would like that. This is the end of the video, and I just wanted to say thank you so much to Unice Hair for sponsoring this video and providing this bomb ass hair to show you guys. I low-key think this might have kickstarted my wig journey again. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and leave a comment. I want to see what you guys think. It's nice talking to you guys. Honestly, it's like, I don't know, it's nice because it's like, oh, it's like a friend of a friend. Like, oh, yes. And if you would like to purchase this wig, I will obviously leave all the links and the information in the description box below. But apart from that, that is all from me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Bye.